How to fix thread post not loading. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you have posted on threads and it's not uploading or it's not loading up, you could then do is check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. You want to go to settings on your device and locate network and internet from the list. Go to internet and make sure to switch between mobile data or Wi-Fi, or you could also simply restart the router as well. If the issue still persists on, you want to make sure to hold on to your side button and restart the device, as this might also be able to fix. If that's not the case, you want to go to settings once again, locate apps from the list, go to threads, locate storage and cache, make sure that the clear cache or just toggle the button for clear cache, and now try launching the threads app and refresh. That should be able to help you out. So these are a couple things you could try to fix thread post not loading, as it might take a while, so you could just wait for it as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.